Now, I'm getting just a tad nervous here. We were up
do that.
165 points, and now we're up 66 points.
Right.
But we're 19,828. I'm going to say that the Trump rally has resumed in 2017, but we have pulled back a little. The rally has lost a little bit of steam. Look at the big banks. They made the move late last year. They were the big winners, and they're all up again today. Barclays, by the way, raised its price target on the entire group, and they're all up this morning. The price of oil is up significantly, about $55 per barrel as we speak. Now, 54.17 now. That is also up on the day. Look who's here. Peter Kernan, the man who said right after Brexit the market would go up. The man who said right after the election the market would go up. He is, by the way, the author of a great book, American Mojo, and he used to be at Goldman Sachs. What a guy. Here he is. Top of the hour. I did my take. I said, look, optimism is back. The future looks bright. We're lively, upbeat, positive. That's why the market's up. Are you going to take me to task on that?
No, what I really like about it is a changing contour of the intersection between business and politics. You know, business has really been in the hinterlands for a long time. And now if you look at the involvement and the engagement of real powerful, thoughtful political leaders in this new government, I think it portends great things for the economy and good things for the market. Like you said, there'll be ups and downs, but the challenge is for business to rise to the occasion. They're being invited back in. They're all over this administration. I think that's a great thing. Good for the market, good long term.
Is there evidence that businesses are spending again on capital investments which create jobs and higher wages? Are they doing it?
Well, I'll give you a subtlety that indicates they're getting ready to. If you look at share repurchases, they were down big in the fourth quarter. Now, that's been a way that people have invested their excess cash. They're not doing it as much. I think they're building a store of value to throw at expanding their business. So the answer is not yet, but they're certainly making the right kind of moves.
You know, Peter, I gave you a big build-up here. I said, here's the man who got it right after Brexit. Here's the man who got it right after the election. So why don't you give us a 2017 market prediction?
Well, you've heard of the honeymoon salad. It's called let us alone. I think the honeymoon is going to occur. The end of the honeymoon is going to occur for Donald Trump. We've had a great move in his post-election, probably 8%. We're up 13% the Dow for the year. I think we're getting a little bit of a pause. People are freaking about the strong dollar. They should not freak out about the strong dollar. They're worried about that impact on earnings. But remember, if there is a corporate tax cut, that will more than offset the strong dollar impact, particularly for small caps, which don't export a lot. So I think we're going to have a little bit of a lull here. I think 20,000 and some of these marks that we've talked about are going to be achieved. Look for a little bit of a lull. And if he starts to accomplish the things he said, we're going to continue on our upward leg. It's going to be fantastic.
That's what we were waiting for. You saved it right till the end.
Yes, I did. I wanted to just torture you.
You tortured me.
You're bringing me out on the limb further and further.
Kernan, stay there, because I got more for you. Later this hour, we'll get back to Peter.